Good morning to one and all. Anthropology emerged as the best optional in all the subjects for UPSC civil services. But the question is why? Why? So today in this video we are discussing about what is the topper strategy, why they are adopting for anthropology as an optional subject, what is the secret behind the success of anthropology. In 2020 results also, Shubham Kumar, who qualified for UPSC 2020 exam with All India first rank with anthropology as an optional subject. So once again in 2020 also anthropology proved itself as a best optional with All India first rank. Then what is the secret behind this? To understand this strategy, today we are taking an example, that is Durrisetti Anudeep, who secured rank in UPSC exam. Okay, rank is not important here, but what is the strategy? Please observe here. He secured anthropology paper 1 mark of 171 and paper 2 of 147, together coming to 318 marks. Okay, then what is the written exam total for Durrisetti Anudeep? Please observe here his written exam, that is total mains total is about 950. Out of 950, 320 marks is from anthropology optional only. Right? That means out of 900, 300 marks is coming from anthropology. Please keep it in mind. Okay? We'll observe another example here. See, this is Rahul Shankarappa who got selected in UPSC. He secured marks of anthropology first paper 157 and second paper 156. For this, he got the total marks of anthropology was 330. And what is his written exam total in 2018 means it is about 850. Please observe here 850. Out of 850, 300 marks is coming from anthropology. Still how many papers are remaining for you? GS paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4 and essay paper. So still you are having 5 papers. So if you take out anthropology 320 as an average for selection, if you get at least GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4 and essay, in each paper if you get 100 marks, you are guaranteed selected for interview. That is, GS and essay marks, each paper is about 250 marks. But even if you secure 100 marks in each paper, you will get 500 marks. And in anthropology, you are getting 320 marks as an average or 310 marks as an average, where you are getting to 800 plus. So interview is guarantee for you. And if you score in GS 1, 2, 3, 4 or essay mark more than 100, that is 110, see here marks 110, 119, 130 like this. So 20-30 marks addition will bring your score total to 900 and you are guaranteed selected for UPSC with interview at least 150 marks or at least 100 marks in interview. That means you are worst performer in interview. Even then you will get a total of 1000 marks and you are selected. See, highest he got 300 rank and his grand total is 1068. Here anthropology is playing a major role for this selection. That is the thing you should observe here. If you get 310 to 320 in anthropology and each submit 100 marks, that is GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4 and essay paper, you are guaranteed qualified for interview, and 100 to 150 marks in interview you are in for UPSC civil services. So major part you are playing is anthropology is playing a major part in your selection. That is the thing I want to focus here. Now, then getting 320 or above 310 is easy for anthropology or very difficult for anthropology? That is the thing. Here, anthropology is the best. Why? Because it is easy to understand for the aspirants. and it is very less syllabus for you, and complete direct question and answers, no twisters and anything, and large portion is again related to general studies topics. And here I am saying you this is very less syllabus. So if the syllabus is less, after prelims exam you are just getting 3 to 4 months hardly for mains exam. Here if the optional syllabus is less, you will get more time to revise complete optional. So you can revise complete optional within a less period. Then you will have more time for GS and essay papers. Whereas other aspirants, if they have taken optional subject which is very large, they want to prepare optional subject and GS and essay writing in question and answer format for mains, which takes a large amount of time. Whereas here anthropology, it is direct question and answers. So repeatedly you will practice them, and it is also less optional also. So you can easily complete the optional. In just 1 month before, or 20 days is hardly enough for optional in during the mains period. And every day you will write one day evening 1 or 2 questions and practice test series enough, and you will get more time for GS and essay paper when compared to the other optional subjects. That is the main success formula. That is the main success formula for the aspirants for selection with anthropology as an optional subject. Easily you can get 310 above, which is very hard for other subjects, because some subject getting 250 above is a hard issue. Here 300 above you can easily score, and you are getting more time again to revise GS and essay. So their papers performance also will be very good, which will help you in your selection. And finally, Kanishka IAS Academy, we are starting 2021 anthropology classes. Please enroll to our academy. In the academy, we will discuss more about anthropology, how to write and how to get more marks and everything. We have placed 3 videos. Please observe all the 3 videos. Those things I have discussed in those 3 videos in part 1, 2, 3. How to prepare for anthropology, what are the reference books, and the subject wise and chapter wise analysis of paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, use all our resources. Thank you very much for all the aspirants who got selected in the prelims. All the best.